And I was like, there'll be such a cool collaboration of getting back and reliving the moment and probably giving people the same kind of entertainment as actors we can.
It's going to be effortless chemistry, and the song is so beautiful. Everything was so beautiful. So I couldn't have thought of anyone else. मतलब I was like, हाँ यार, मैंने और हिमांश ने इतने टाइम से साथ में काम क्यों नहीं किया है यार?
So hello and welcome to Bollywood Live and India.com. Today I have with me जिन्होंने अपना सफर शुरू किया एक साथ, पहले तो हमसे है लाइफ में और अब एक साथ डेब्यू करे अपने सॉन्ग में. सो हिमांश एंड हेली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक एक डेकेड हो चुका है जब आपने स्टार्ट किया था. सो दोबारा से एक सॉन्ग में डेब्यू करना, हाउ वाज इट फीलिंग व्हेन यू फर्स्ट गॉट टू नो दैट ओके हिमांश विल बी देयर और हेली वुड बी देयर? तो एक दोनों का रिएक्शन कैसा था? हिमांश, विल गो विद यू फर्स्ट.
When I got to know of that Heli is going to be featuring with me in the song, it was me and Shivam and Raj in T series when they told me that Heli साथ में है. So that very moment I was very excited. I was like, whoa, हमने तो साथ में पहले काम किया है. And then suddenly I was like, wow, this will be so cool that we've been together, we've been loved by so many of the people, like younger ones, and so many people who have seen us together in Humse Hai Live. And I was like, there'll be such a cool collaboration of getting back and reliving the moment and probably giving people the same kind of entertainment as actors we can.
Anytime you're featuring in a music video or anywhere, any other web show हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, I am always anxious about opposite कौन होगा. मतलब वो give and take हो पाएगा, मतलब कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. And when they told me Himansh, in my head I was like, oh my god, this is going to be a blast. We are going to have such a great time and effortless. I knew it that it's going to be like the same where we are going to pick up from the same spot where we stopped, and it's going to be effortless chemistry, and the song is so beautiful. Everything was so beautiful. So I couldn't have thought of anyone else. मतलब I was like, हाँ यार, मैंने और हिमांश ने इतने टाइम से साथ में काम क्यों नहीं किया है यार? So yeah, I was very excited.
Right. So पहले तो वो शो जो था, it was a craze. I still remember the times because I used to watch it too. So वो एक craze था, एकदम youth show था. And then now turning as lovers into that song, in this song. So वो chemistry बनाने में, was it very difficult or was it a smooth transition? How was it?
Not at all. It was not even 1% difficult to emote with Heli. And in fact, I was just talking about it थोड़ी देर पहले while we were just talking to someone else, that how effortless it was working with each other, and how effortless and easy it becomes for the director to get what they want, because at the end it's a project for the director, and for us we look at it a different way, and for the audience they look at it as a complete packaged audio and a video combination where Jubin, Payal, me, Heli, we all together. But effortless, I would definitely say, completely effortless. And not even for once we thought that we are acting. It was just fun. It was complete fun, which turned out so well.
Right. So गाना जो है, tell us something about that. जब सबसे पहले सुना तो क्या रिएक्शन था? क्योंकि एक तो इतनी सुरीली आवाज, इतना बड़ा सिंगर, उसके बाद to give that 100% act in that particular music video. So what was the first reaction when you guys heard the song?
I have been a fan of Jubin and Payal, and of course T series has it goes without saying they have such a great taste in music. And when the song came to me, I was very excited. This is totally my kind of a song which I can listen to on loop. मतलब I just loved it so much. Then they said Himansh, तो मैं इतनी, मतलब there was nothing. Everything fell into place according to exactly how I wanted. So I have been listening to it on loop since morning.
And you, Himansh?
I have been listening to the song on loop since the day I heard it. I don't know why. It's a ritual. It's a routine for me whenever I want to hear Jubin's tracks. तो ये एक अनरिलीज ट्रैक है जो मेरे म्यूजिक प्लेयर में अब तक रिलीज नहीं हुआ था उस टाइम के हिसाब से, और मैं इसको हमेशा अपने व्हाट्सएप से प्ले करके सुनता था because it had that thing. And now it's available on all the platforms. तो अब इतनी high end quality में I hear it. In fact, you know, yesterday, I was at Jubin's place, so we were having lunch together. And after lunch, हम दोनों ऐसी, क्योंकि यहाँ सर्दी बहुत है देहरादून में अभी, and we're just lying low. उसके घर से there was a hill view, and धूप थोड़ी सी पैरों पे पड़ रही थी और छाव के अंदर ऐसे मुंह में हम लोग स्काई देखते हैं, and he's humming मेरी तरह, and I was like, whoa, that was such a amazing moment for me that, you know, उसमें कोई instruments नहीं है, it's the singer and we're looking at the sky, इतना beautiful blue sky दिख रहा है, and he's humming that thing, and I the first thing I was like, बाबा ये moment, ये मेरा moment है, ये और किसी का नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा special है.
You know, I can
It's
absolutely
funny.
relate to this because I am from Dehradun. So मेरे लिए तो ये रिलेट करने वाली एकदम देहरादून में शाम को जो जैसे ही शाम हो जाती है और हवा अभी तो बहुत ठंड हो रखी है, वैसे ही मसूरी में बर्फ पड़ी होगी इस टाइम पे, तो मौसम आई कैन टोटली रिलेट टू दैट. एंड आल्सो जुबिन वाज आल्सो फ्रॉम देहरादून, तो हम लोग के लिए तो एक भाई इधर से ये स्टार और इधर एमिटी से हिमांश, तो मेरे लिए तो एकदम एक नई एक इट्स सो रिलेटेबल टुडे. सो गाइस, अपनी सेट की बात कर रहे थे, तो हाउ वाज इट? सेट पे क्या फन होता था, क्या मस्ती होती थी? टेल अस अबाउट योर सेट एक्सपीरियंस.
This was exactly how I told you, like where we stopped is exactly where we picked it up from. So हमने बहुत सारी बातें की यार, मतलब we were laughing in between the shots when we had time. We had to share so many things that has happened over so many years. So I mean, we shared a lot of things. We laughed so much. We enjoyed everything. And जैसे action होता था, we enjoyed that also, like exchanging the chemistry. Like it's very difficult to find, you know, a co-actor is extremely important. Otherwise, आप वो emote कर पाओगे. But with him, I could feel each and every sequence. I felt creatively so satisfied. And all thanks to him, यार, Himansh is effortless.
ठीक है, तो एक सेट की बात करिए. आई गॉट टू नो दैट यू नो ही गॉट हर्ट ड्यूरिंग द शूट एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड हेली द डॉक्टर, हेली द एक्टर, हेली has so many roles to her. So I heard that you know you helped him quite on the set while shooting. So कैसा था हिमांश की, मतलब you tell us first.
हाँ, वही डॉक्टर है ना एक्चुअल में. तो जब ऐसा कुछ होता है तो रेस्क्यू करने कोई डॉक्टर ही आता है. तो लकीली इस बार हमारे पास सेट पे एक्टर एंड डॉक्टर बोथ हेली दारूवाला सामने थी.
एग्जैक्टली.
वो जो सेट के ऊपर छोटी मोटी चोटें जो थोड़ी सी लग जाती है, उनको संभालना पड़ता है. तो यूनिट पैनिक कर जाता है, डॉक्टर पैनिक नहीं करता है. तो आई थिंक डॉक्टर ने समझदारी से उसे उसका हल निकाला, उसे ठीक किया, एंड देन इट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ
It was just a small cut. ऐसा it was a small cut. But of course, जब मेरे दोस्त को चोट लगेगी तो I will rush.
डॉक्टर विल कम बाहर अंदर से, यू नो, वो डॉक्टर बाहर आएगा. ठीक है गाइस.
वो तो मैं in general also कोई normally भी बोल देगा ना, आज अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, तो I'll be like, क्या क्या हो रहा है? क्या क्या just keep the list of things.
ठीक है. सो एक हम अब फन राउंड करते हैं. हमने गाने के बारे में बात करी ऑलरेडी. गाना जो है वो रिलीज हो चुका है एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स ऑलरेडी मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बज एंड इट विल गो मिलियंस एंड बिलियंस. तो अब हम एक छोटा सा फन रैपिड फायर करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट विल बिगिन विद हेली. ठीक है? सो हेली, सो काजल और मस्कारा.
मस्कारा.
छोले भटूरे और पिज्जा.
छोले भटूरे.
लिप बाम और लिपस्टिक.
लिपस्टिक.
Your favorite director, Karan Johar or Sanjay Leela Bhansali, or the director you
Sanjay
want to
Leela
work
Bhansali.
with? Okay, your favorite workout regime, yoga or functional routine or gym?
Yoga.
Perfect. Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Sara or Janhvi?
They both are nice equally.
Heli the actor or Heli the doctor?
Haley the actor with a little bit of doctor instincts when people need me.
Yeah, like these.
Right. So Himansh, we'll come to you now.
Okay, I'm set.
Okay. So your favorite director, the director you would want to work next with, Sanjay Leela Bhansali or Karan Johar?
I think Sanjay Leela Bhansali, sir.
Okay, that's quick. Then your favorite actor, Salman or Shah Rukh?
I love SRK.
Okay.
I mean, I
then,
love Salman sir, SRK first.
Okay, Ayushmann or Vicky Kaushal?
Ayushmann.
The next co-actor you would want to work with?
Could be any. I mean, I would want to work with Deepika Padukone.
Okay, that's a media. So,
Yeah.
favorite director Sanjay Leela Bhansali, then Deepika Padukone, and you would make a
Wow, in
really
my head, there's another complete world happening. Yeah, so yeah, I can see where it's connecting.
ठीक है, reconnect होगा. कहीं ना कहीं we'll get the
And if
wires twinkle together. ठीक है. So
Yeah.
your go-to fitness regime?
I love cycling. Otherwise, I prefer cycling. I can't stay at home for just one particular workout.
Beach or mountains?
Hills always.
Last thing that you searched on Google?
Zoom app link.
That's fun. ठीक है. So this is it. अब आप लोग अगर अपने गाने की एक line, if you guys could, just him like एक line एक साथ, तो will be wrap up करने के लिए इससे अच्छा क्या होगा?
कौन है वो दुनिया में जो तुझको मुझसे बढ़कर जाने लगा,
इसके लिए मेरा एक पल में
छोड़ के जाने लगा.
So thank you so much guys for coming on Bollywood Live and India.com. It was a pleasure speaking with you guys, and also all the best for your future projects also, and this song also. I'm sure it's going to create a rave जैसे हमसे है life और आपके बाकी सभी endeavors ने एक साथ किया. Thank you so much once again.